Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to take you through my complete glass engraving process. I'll be doing engraving on this glass box. So the products which I will use are this scale and these permanent markers. These are extra fine permanent markers, so I'll use them to mark the guidelines and to do the calligraphy on glass. And we also need a engraving tool, so I use this engraving machine from Inkme this. So you can use any other brand engraver also. We also need different types of diamond burrs, so these are ball round burrs and they come in different sizes. We need rubbing alcohol or nail paint remover to clean the glass surface and some tissue papers, a brush to remove the glass dust, and for safety reasons it's important to use a safety glass to protect our eyes from glass particles and dust. And also we need to use a mask so that we do not inhale any glass dust. First, I clean the glass surface with rubbing alcohol or nail paint remover to remove any oils or dust particles which might be there on the glass surface. So using the scale and permanent markers, I mark the guidelines on the glass surface. I am marking the horizontal and vertical half of the glass surface to help keep the calligraphy in the center. I am using 4 mm X height for this piece, so I am marking different lines at 4 mm distance. After marking the guidelines, I write the word which is to be engraved on these guidelines using the permanent markers which I have shown earlier. So I am using 4 calligraphy to give thickness to the downstrokes. For engraving on glass surface, I prefer to use my ink with this engraver at around 29,000 rpm speed. Speed may vary depending on the type of engraver you are using. Don't put any extra pressure on the burr while engraving. Just lightly touch the burr to glass surface. First, I am engraving using a BR46 size burr. So I will go over the complete name using this burr. Now I am using nail paint remover or rubbing alcohol to remove the permanent marker lines from the glass surface. To see the engraving clearly, now I am using a black paper as background. I am using BR49 burr to add thickness to the downstrokes. To make the engraving even more refined, I go over the complete word using BR48F burr. Clean the glass surface using rubbing alcohol. To fill the engraving, I use rub and buff metallic wax finish. First, I spread the metallic wax finish on the glass surface using a Q-tip, and then I am using a tissue paper to remove all the extra rub and buff which is outside the engraving. To remove the rub and buff which has dried, outside the engraving, I give a little bit pressure on the tissue paper using my nail to scratch off the excess rub and buff. So this is the final look, and I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have any further questions you can ask them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.